is called an E1S. It's one of the first welders offered by Micro Products, and it was designed to weld steel wire from 10 thousandths inch diameter through 62 thousandths inch diameter wire. Its companion machine, the E1C, is identical, but is for welding copper wire from 15 thousandths inch through 50 thousandths inch in diameter. Before beginning a weld, always check to be sure the machine is connected to the correct power source and verify that the machine is properly grounded. Always read the service manual before operating any machine and follow all recommended safety procedures. To make a weld, select the material to be welded. Consult the service manual for the correct settings for different sizes of materials. A space cam on top of the headpiece adjusts the space between the dies before the weld is begun. The larger the wire, the larger the open space. A chart in the service manual provides guidelines for the open space. Prepare the ends of the wire by shearing them in the specifically designed shear. This provides a flat square end on the wire, which is most appropriate for welding small wires. Be sure the ends of the wire are clean and free from rust, dirt, or processing chemicals by sanding with emery cloth or sandpaper. Clamp one wire in the stationary die with the end centered between the dies in the open position. Then clamp the end of the other wire in the movable die with the ends of the two wires touching perfectly centered between the dies. At this point, adjust the spring tension, which will apply the forging pressure to the ends of the wire. The service manual gives basic tension settings. Select the correct heat setting on the heat switch after consulting the service manual. Reset the space cam to the closed position. This will apply pressure to the ends of the wire. You may now push the operating button, which causes current to flow through the wires. When the ends of the wires become hot enough to melt, the spring tension will move the movable die towards the stationary die, which forges the ends of the wire together. In only a brief moment, the weld is completed. You may now remove the welded wire from the dies and anneal it if required in the annealing mechanism provided. Clamp the wire in the annealed dies with the weld centered between the dies. Now jog the anneal button several times to raise the temperature as indicated by color suitable to the alloy you've just welded. After annealing, remove the weld burr with a file or grinder, and the wire at this point is ready for further processing.